and your lawyer will speak to you. Okay?
Okay, but I don't understand the charges that y'all have.
Ma'am, listen to what I'm saying. I am getting you an attorney.
Okay.
Your attorney will speak to you. And then you can ask your attorney however many questions you want to ask your attorney. But I am not your attorney, and I'm not going to explain it to you. You have been charged with assault and battery. 2 counts. That's easy. That's simple. That's it. Anything else? And also, I'm confused by why y'all have a name on the screen that's not on my docket. The only name I want to see on a person is the name that's on my docket, so you all need to change her name.
Is this for Thomas?
Okay, you may.
Your Honor, when we had Onaya Thomas on there, actually Latrice Thomas Cook and Latrice Thomas Pearson. I made a mistake and put Cook there. It's Latrice Thomas Pearson and Onaya Thomas Cook. They were on the same camera. Ms. Stevenson asked me to.
Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, because that person is on my docket.
Correct.
I see.
And they both been there, but we need to get appointed counsel for Miss Latrice Thomas. And we were going to represent Onaya Thomas Cook.
Well, they can't be on the same camera. What? They only have one device?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh no, somebody gonna have to get it. They're gonna have to come in person. One of them will have to come in person. They can't be on the same device.
I can get another device if that's okay.
No, we're gonna go ahead today. I need the complainants to turn on their videos. And then
Yeah, she got her phone.
Like I only want, let me help y'all with this. We're in court, okay? And then I gave my instructions. Okay, so I'm gonna do, so who's on the camera now? This is Miss Thomas Cook?
Yeah.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm gonna call the cases separately and I will allow, but Miss Thomas Cook, the angle of the camera, I don't know what's going on, but I need you to kind of be sitting up like this right here. And I need,
yeah.
Can y'all stop? Just listen. Listen to my instructions, because how can you know that you are if I'm giving instructions? I haven't even finished giving the instructions. And I need you to be stationary, stabilize your device, and don't have it so close to your face. That's what I need. All right. And then I don't know what Miss Williams is doing, but I need you to stop doing it with your fingers. Whatever it is you're doing, Miss Williams, I need you to stop. Okay. So I'm going to call Thomas Cook first then. All right, this is case number 234476601, the people of the state of Michigan versus Onaya Thomas Cook. The defendant is charged with 2 counts of assault or assault and battery. Today is the date set for a pretrial conference. Appearances, please. Bond will continue with no contact with the complaining witness. Anything further with respect to Ms. Thomas Cook?
Nothing.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, not from the people judge. Thank you.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Ms. Thomas Cook, you're all set. You have a great day. Stay safe. Can Ms. Thomas please come to the screen? Can we rename Ms. Thomas. So I don't call her the wrong name. All right, this is case number 234476602. People of the state of Michigan versus Latrice Kawante Thomas. Defendant is charged with 2 counts of assault or assault and battery. Today is the date set for pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people. I also have the complaining witness present via Zoom. Ms. Hall, can you start by saying your name for the record, please? You're unmuted, Ms. Hall.
Brandis Hall.
Thank you. And Ms. Williams, can you unmute and state your name for the record?
We got a video.
Dina Williams.
And yes, Your Honor, Brandon Bird on behalf of Latrice Thomas for the purpose of this pretrial.
Okay, Ms. Thomas.
Ms. Thomas. Sorry, Your Honor.
Ma'am, state your name.
My name is Latrice Thomas Pearson.
What's your middle name, ma'am?
Quantel.
Thank you. Today is the date set for a pretrial conference. How are we proceeding, Mr. Bird?
Your Honor, respectfully, we have to ask to get appointed counsel for Ms. Thomas due to a conflict.
The court is going to continue a not guilty plea on behalf of Ms. Thomas. I'm going to set the matter for final pretrial conference October the 3rd, 2023 at 9:01. Mr. Flanagan, please submit a request to Ms. Carter for the appointment of counsel for Ms. Thomas. Did you all speak to Ms. Thomas in the breakout room?
We spoke to both of them about what was going on, but we did let Ms. Thomas know that she was going to have to get another appointed counsel due to the fact that we're
Thomas's contact information.
We do have Ms. Thomas's contact information, Your Honor.
All right. So please pass the contact information on to Mr. Flanagan so that he can pass that on to Ruth Carter. Ms. Thomas, what is it?
I'm still trying to figure out who do we give this. We have a video of the whole thing. So.
Ma'am, I don't care.
Okay.
I'm appointing you counsel. I'm appointing you an attorney. And we're not speaking in we's. I'm only talking about you. That's why I'm appointing you counsel. So what I'm saying to you is worry about yourself.
Okay, and my
counsel and Miss Thomas Cook has her counsel, and they will speak to her, and your lawyer will speak to you. Okay.
Okay, but I don't understand the charges that y'all have.
Ma'am, listen to what I'm saying. I am getting you an attorney.
Okay.
Your attorney will speak to you. And then you can ask your attorney however many questions you want to ask your attorney. But I am not your attorney, and I'm not going to explain it to you. You have been charged with assault and battery. 2 counts. That's easy. That's simple. That's it. Anything else that you need to know, I am appointing you a lawyer. The lawyer is going to call you, reach out to you, show up in court for you. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Mr. Flanagan, you're going to get her contact information from Mr. Bird, and we're going to pass that contact information on to the Michigan Indigent Defense Council so that they can appoint a lawyer for Ms. Thomas. Anything further with respect to this matter?
Not from the people, Judge. Thank you.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, then we're all set until October the 3rd at 9:00 a.m. on Zoom. Ms. Williams and Ms. Hall, you both have appeared today. Therefore, your appearance is not required on October 3rd. However, as the complaining witnesses in this matter, you may show up for every court hearing. You're not required to, but you may do so should you choose to. If you do not appear, then you should contact the prosecutor's office or the victim's advocate's office to find out when the next court date is and whether your appearance is required. We are all set. Everyone have a great day and stay safe.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.